Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and this is the 9th video of the ongoing series on advanced vocabulary through Dr. Sasi Throor's book, An Era of Darkness. I believe that you must have been enjoying the videos, and even some learners are commenting, and through their comments, it's a very pleasant experience for me that the vocabulary gets reflected or it comes to surface through the comments. So it's good that you are learning from the ongoing series. I wish all the best, happy learning to all the viewers. And let's start with this video with the PPT. As per the standard practice and pattern of these videos, we start with this one, and the first word for today for this video is sada. Sada means to shiver, to shake because you are cold or frightened or because of a strong feeling. किसी डर, सर्दी या किसी विशेष भाव से आप जब कांपने लगते हैं, that is shuddering. The next word is derisory, and derisory means too little or too small to be valued or considered seriously. किसी चीज की कोई बहुत ही कम मात्रा या कम वैल्यू जिसको सीरियसली सोचने का आपका मन ही ना करे, that is derisory. For example, laughable, its synonym is laughable, जिसको सोचकर आपको हंसी आए. It was derisory offer. Oh, he got a derisory offer of 10,000 per month. So too small to be taken seriously or to be considered seriously. Expiate, to accept punishment for something that you have done wrong in order to show that you are sorry. आपने कुछ गलत किया और उसके बदले में जो आपको पनिशमेंट मिल रहा है उसको आप एक्सेप्ट करें इस भाव से कि आपको अब सॉरी फील हो रहा है. आप एक पश्चाताप के तरीके से जो आपने गलत किया और उसके बदले जो आपको पनिशमेंट मिलती है, आपको जो दंड मिलता है, उसको जो आप स्वीकार करते हैं, that is expiate. He had a chance to confess and expiate his guilt. Clumsily, our actions and statements, जो statements और actions से related है, clumsily, done without skill or in a way that offends people. जब बिना किसी स्किल के हम कोई काम करते हैं और जिससे लोगों को हम हतोत्साहित करते हैं, उनको फ्रस्ट्रेट करते हैं, that is clumsily. She made a clumsy attempt to apologize. So that attempt of apologizing was not proper. Maybe having same sort of arrogance, you are apologetic, so that's not proper apology. And instead of mollifying or pacifying people, that might further accelerate their anger or anguish. So that is clumsily. Confabulation. Confabulation means a story that somebody has invented in their mind. कोई कहानी अपने दिमाग में जब आप घड़ते हो, that is confabulation. The act of inventing a story in your mind. आपके माइंड में स्टोरी को इन्वेंट करने का जो प्रोसेस है, that is confabulation. A conversation, the activity of having a conversation. Orgy, a party at which there is a lot of eating, drinking, and sexual activity. A drunken orgy, or something, an extreme amount of particular activity. किसी चीज की बहुत extreme amount जब होती है, वो भी orgy कहलाती है. An orgy of spending, खर्चे की orgy, बहुत ज्यादा आप खर्च करें. Thousands of Muslim leaguers took to streets in an orgy of violence. 1,000 of Muslim leaguers took to streets in an orgy of violence. Wreck, a person who is in a bad physical or mental condition. Physically, I was a total wreck. The day-long hectic schedule left me a wreck, left me a physical wreck in the evening. The experience left her an emotional wreck. So as there is a physical wreck, there is an emotional wreck, there is an economical wreck, there is a spiritual wreck. So it is about physical or mental condition being so bad, so poor. Next, viceroy, the wife of a viceroy, condone to accept behavior that is morally wrong or to treat it as if it were not serious. The college cannot condone any behavior that involves indiscipline or illicit drugs. To accept behavior that is morally wrong or to treat it as if it were not serious. किसी गलत बिहेवियर को, अनैतिक व्यवहार को एक्सेप्ट करना कंडोन होता है. The college cannot condone any behavior that involves indiscipline or illicit drugs. Ascendant, it's an idiom. In the ascendant, British pop music is once again in ascendant, is in fashion, increasingly in use. Rebel, a large group of noisy people who are or may become violent. एक लोगों का समूह जो बड़ा वोकल है, बड़ा नोइजी है और किसी भी टाइम जो हिंसक हो जाए, that is rebel. A drunken rebel. A rebel are nationalist Indians clad in homespun. So a rebel are nationalist Indians clad in homespun. And drunken rebel, relinquish, to stop having something, especially when this happens unwillingly. Give up. To stop having something, जब आप किसी चीज को possess करना बंद कर देते हैं, that is relinquish. और particularly ये unwillingly घटित होता है. You don't want to stop having something, but unwillingly it happens, and that way it's giving up. छोड़ देना. Headlong, quickly without looking where you are going. He ran headlong into a police car. Inculpate, accuse or blame. Somebody placed the pistol in your room to inculpate you. एक strategy के तहत जब कोई आपको accuse और blame करता है, that is inculpate. For example, कोई आपके रूम में, आपके ऑफिस में, आपके प्लेस पर कोई ऐसी इलीगल चीज रख दे, like a pistol, so that you are accused of it. The colonial rules may be inculpated for dividing and looting India. So colonial rules हैं, उनको हम accuse कर सकते हैं किसके लिए? For dividing and looting India. भारत को लूटने और बांटने के लिए उनको हम इनकल्पेट कर सकते हैं, उनको ब्लेम कर सकते हैं, ब्रिटिशर्स को, colonial rulers को. Exculpate, to prove or state officially that somebody is not guilty of something. Acquittal की सेंस में है. Insouciance. Insouciance means the state are not being worried about anything. Nonchalance. She hid her worries behind an air of insouciance. The British insouciantly exported 200 million pounds of rice to Britain. Gratuitous, done without any good reason or purpose and often having harmful effects. बिना किसी कारण और बिना किसी उद्देश्य की हुई चीज जो अक्सर हानिकारक होती है, that is gratuitous. Unnecessary. Gratuitous violence on television. Gratuitously, and for example, the recent and popular example might be Mirzapur was gratuitously offensive, unnecessarily offensive. Blythe, showing you do not care or are not anxious about what you are doing. It is about, A is missing here. Showing you do not care or are not anxious about what you are doing. आप जब ये दिखाते हैं कि जो कुछ आप कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में आप ना तो anxious हैं, ना care हैं, careful हैं. In a blithe disregard of the evidence. Searing, so strong that it seems to burn you. The searing heat of a tropical summer. Searing pain. Or words or speech. शब्दों में और भाषा के लिहाज से searing का क्या मतलब होता है? Powerful and critical. A searing attack on the government. There could be no more searing proof that the responsibility for famines lay with the authorities and their policies. Malfeasance, an example of dishonest and illegal behavior, especially by a person in authority. Several cases of malpractice and malfeasance in the financial world are currently being investigated. Shashi Tharoor has dwelt at length on famines because they offer such an outstanding example of the British colonial malfeasance. So that's all in this video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. If you are new on this channel, I would request you to subscribe the channel. And once again, I request you to promote tech. That's a wonderful platform for online education. And we are engaged in the noble cause of dissemination of knowledge. And let's join hands together to promote it so that maximum people can be benefited out of our efforts. Thank you.